Alright boys, Deus 2. Now this is still beta version 3.03. This is the 11-inch coil. Now some people may not have an 11-inch or 9-inch coil. Maybe they've got an 11. And maybe like my buddy, they won't see what that little white jewel over there does. Okay? So, I've got this old 10-karat gold ring, and there's an old junker Ferrous chain. You know, them things exist. Now that's more or less the same plane, alright? So I've got the old 11-inch fast multi-frequency coil on here, alright? Now we're just going to look at mono program here. This is 15.6 kilohertz speed 3. I'll let you hear the behavior of this detector. You hear that? Are you watching? Okay. I got a little detection right in there. But over here, I don't have anything to speak of. You see that? Alright. We're going to get out of here. We're going to fast program silencer 2, speed 3. And watch what happens here. I'm getting a signal right there, huh? How about that? Let me do that again, showing the camera. I got an 8 and a 7 in the meter. Now I'm over here. So I'm getting it there. But you hear how that sounds. Person may come over here and sweep that. Get that signal way over here to the left, and they may decide, oh, that's probably iron or some bullshit, right? They may walk off, huh? Could they? Hear that right there? See, I'm not getting any detection over the actual gold ring, but I'm getting something right there, and then I come over here and sweep like this. But you get to see the old 11-inch fast multi-frequency coil over that. You got to see 15.6 kilohertz. Okay, so some of these conventional machines, especially coming right here. Go back here right fast. There we are. Deus model 15.6. You see the orientation I'm sweeping from here? Alright, we're going to turn the camera off. We're going to power up the crackerjack coil. Alright, got a Deus HF2 coil power. This is single frequency 15.1. Now that's a small coil, you know. So here we are over this gold ring. What do you hear? Got a little signal right there. What about over here? We don't have much right in there, do we? Back over here. 0. Okay? Now watch what happens here. Fast program, speed 3, 53 kilohertz band. Silencer number 2. I'm going to come all the way around that thing. Down close, some call height. You see what I'm talking about? That's a heat seeker, ain't it, boys? On that. 15 kilohertz can't keep up, even with this call, can it? 28 in the meter, 35 that way. 43 that way. We're going to take the gold ring out. All that's down there now is that junker Ferrous chain. Coming all the way around it. Okay. Different when that ring's in there, ain't it, boys? Wouldn't you be curious about that with this coil? If you've seen this video that I did and you was in a park You got that old strong ass signal in there. Now we don't get no ID. I've got iron kid turned off. Okay. That's going to conclude the video. The mighty Deus 2 with the 11-inch fast multi-frequency coil. The HF2 coil.